Okay, so today we will be learning how to use Office 365, office.com. It's actually a Microsoft site that allows for students and teachers to communicate, to create, and to exist, basically, within the school system. So there's a bunch of different apps that are within Office 365. Outlook is one of the apps that I use very often. Outlook is actually the email portion of Office 365. Um, in my opinion, I think it's the main reason I go onto Office 365. It's probably the main reason a lot of people use Office 365, but it's very easy to compose messages, just new message. And if the staff or the student goes to Wayne State, you can actually look them up by their first and last name, and their access ID or their email will come up. So, for example, my roommate. Um, oops, it might help if I spelled her name right. Alexandra Denoto. So I did not know that this was her access ID, but now I have found her and I am able to send her a message because she is a Wayne State student and she is within my people, within my Outlook section. So after Outlook, we have OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Word, Excel, PowerPoint are very similar to basically like Google Docs, Google Slides. It's very similar. It's literally Word that is attached to Office 365. Here you can write papers, do any projects or anything like that. Oops, I exited out the wrong thing. But PowerPoint also allows you to create PowerPoints, and Excel's for spreadsheets. So there are actually, I think I counted 21 apps within Office 360 that are available to Wayne State students. All of these apps are very, very useful. I actually have not used many of them, but that's just because I haven't had to. I've had to use Outlook, and I've had to use SurveyMonkey. I've had to use Word and PowerPoint and Excel. I've had to use many of these apps, but I will admit that Outlook is the main app that I will use. Stream's fun. Stream is where you can send videos and of like lessons, of meetings, just any type of like recording. It could be audio recording, it could be video recording. And you can share that with others. So that's super cool. If your friend misses class one day, you can share the class meeting as long as it's okay with your professor with that student through Stream. And there's many fun things to keep track of, like what you have to do. Like for example, the to-do list, calendars. This way you can organize yourself. Honestly, I personally think that Office 365 is one of the main reasons why I am a successful student. It allows me to explore technology as well as explore my types of learning and others types of teaching. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope that you learned something today. Thank you for listening, and I will talk to you later. Bye.